Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's something you've been looking to do, welcome to my channel. I do encourage you guys to explore all of the content that I have. I am on a mission to create 300 free educational videos for you guys, and they've already been broken down by playlists. So if you need help with indicators, there's a playlist for that. If you need help with strategies, there's a playlist for that. Or if you want to just see all of my wins and losses broken down and the exact strategy I use to be profitable, you can find that on my Real Wins and Losses playlist. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the trade breakdown of today. And we're going to be looking at this Euro USD sell. And I love trades that work out like this. I posted this trade today, and I was already able to post a trade update today. Now, I'm a swing trader, and if any of you guys have been around for a while, you know that I'm a reformed scalper. Nothing against scalping. I just have a lot going on where I can just set in my trades, put my trades in, set them, forget them, and then go on with my life. Now, I do scalp sometime, but my main thing now is swing trading. So you'll see me analyzing trades on higher time frames. But anyway, today we're going to be looking at this Euro USD recommended trade that I dropped for the students that I'm mentoring. I did recently launch my own personal mentorship platform. It's a self-guided course. It has an app. And then you get also mentorship from me. Text me, call me, right? Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. But for Euro USD, this was a 4-hour analysis on the 4-hour chart. I suggested a market execution or sell limit within the supply zone. And then I just gave them an area to look at. Now, I stopped including stop losses in my trade ideas simply because I want my students to get into the habit of looking at the charts, but I did give them a few places that they can target for their TP. As always, I encourage them to do their own analysis, use proper risk management, and if you are going to use market execution, adjust your take profit and stop loss to your actual entry. So let's just head over to tradingview.com, and we're going to go ahead and see what happened in this trade. And I'm going to tell you guys what I was looking at. So the first thing I noticed when I came into the market this morning was that it seemed to be consolidating for a couple of hours. Now, remember, and let me go to the 4-hour chart. It was consolidating for a couple of hours. Now, this is the 4-hour chart. So this means that each and every one of these candles was 4 hours. The market was staying in the same range. So to me, I knew something big was going to happen. And being that it was resistance at the top, I was looking for sell opportunities. Now, another thing that caught my eye initially was that the stochastic, which is an indicator that I use, STOC, right? It was facing down. Not only that, this orange line was above the blue line, and both lines had crossed below 80. Now, I'm going to tell you why this is important by showing you other examples of what happens when you get those three things on the stochastic. So we can see an example of our stochastic here facing down. The orange line is above the blue, and both lines cross below 80. We get nice selling action. Here's another example of the stochastic facing down, the orange line being above the blue, and then the market pushing down. Here's yet another example. So the stochastic for me is a really strong indicator to let me know whether price is overbought, oversold, and if I should be looking more so for buys or sells. So because I already had the resistance at the top and I had these confirmations on my stochastic, I was pretty much comfortable enough to get into the trade, but I did set a sell limit and I also entered for market execution. So we're going to go ahead and play this out, and we're going to see what has happened so far. And I'm going to break it down to you as it's playing. I'm going to break it down to you as it's playing. I can't sing, y'all. Don't mind me. So there we go. We're going to go here. And we just put it on a 15-minute chart just so that you guys can see more candle activities. Okay, so this is the 15. We see that the market was starting to drop. We can just see that we had a little bit of support starting to be formed. That was literally the retaliation from the buyers trying to push the price even higher. But as we can see, the sellers really were not having that. And the market continued to move sideways until we had a final break of structure on the downside, confirming that this is the way that the market was going to go. So we see the market kind of playing snake right now. It's looking like it wants to come up and maybe test a previous area of resistance. But looking at this on the 4 hour, and if we even look at it on the daily, or if we take it to the weekly, these are all very bearish looking markets to me. And I'm going to stay in myself. I've already secured about 40 pips on this trade, and fingers crossed it will continue to drop, but that's what it looks like. But that's really all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comment box. Share this video with another trader who you feel like it will be helpful to. And if you want to register for personal mentorship and have a structured learning course and an awesome mentor, that information is down below in my description box. So I'll see you guys next time.